Hello. Good afternoon. Okay, so this time in my video, I don't have that stuff on my face. I was cleaning off my zits. So if you're wondering what those were, that's what they were. I got another package that I'm going to be opening. It's bubble wrap packaging. Okay. Another shirt. Aw, that's kind of cute. Let's see. Can't open the package. Yay, I got it open now. Sorry for all the crinkling noise. Okay. Let's hope I like this one. Okay. Yeah, it's just as long as all the other ones. This one's a black one. Tank top. No, just a regular top, not tank. It's got sleeves. But these are cool. Wonder if these will survive the washing machine, or maybe I'll have to wash this one by hand. I'm not sure, but they're cute looking. I thought they were cute anyway. My daughter was looking at me like, oh, I can't believe you ordered that. And I thought it was pretty good. All right, so hand wash, don't bleach, hang dry, low iron, do not tumble. So don't put this in the dryer and don't wash it. So I gotta wash it by hand. Yeah. I never heard of this brand before, but whatever. It's a pretty top. Kind of goes into a V. So it'd be kind of low too, but not terribly. Okay, all right, so I got another t-shirt. Alrighty, okay, bye.